I need you to learn from my mistake. Because I made a sale, but, yeah. So I sold my first brush, my first Procreate brush set on Etsy. I was going to make this video a little bit later on. But I didn't even know that I sold anything. I didn't do anything. I didn't do anything special. Yes, this is part of the experiment lab. Even me showing you this video alters the experiment, but I don't care because that's a part of everything, right? Okay, so in the past 30 days, I had 19 views, 13 visits, one order, $7. Great. However, when I get to my shop, I'll show you. Let me hit pause here. Okay, so here's my overall shop. But when I looked, I didn't have this listed. So since I'm brand new to trying this out on Etsy, because I do have the same thing up on my Gumroad shop, links are below. When I got here and I started looking at things, I didn't have anything listed at all. Or because when I went to the back of the shop. Okay, so here's my listing, but I went to the back of the shop and then I only put one because I didn't notice. I didn't notice anything. So when I went down here, I didn't do this the first time. So where is it at? Because essentially what I just did was post it and I put like it's a digital product. But down here where it says quantity, I didn't even think about this. Like it had one and then it sold. And so did I miss out on sales? Probably. So I got my photos here. I got, the textured hairbrush, the hatching brush, ink and sketch brush, homemade textures. There's a stipple and crack brush set. There's also a little bonus set. So it's about 60 plus without the with the bonus set or without. I can't remember. But yeah, I just wanted to do this really quick update here for those of you that are trying to sell Procreate brushes on Etsy or anything that's digital. Make sure that you put the product quantity of your brushes or your whatever it is, your coloring pages. So this is a part of an experiment that was about to fail because I wouldn't have even noticed anything until I went back to the shop because I had kind of set it and forget it, as they used to say back in the day. I didn't really do anything with it. So make sure that you are always make sure that you're always putting the appropriate quantity of the things that you're doing. Okay, I'm going to stop talking.